Hey everybody, Edward Kelly, 1-8 Deadline, answering your bankruptcy questions. Today, talking about Chapter 11 again. That's a big one coming out of COVID, or hopefully we're coming out of it soon. Chapter 11 is the reorganization bankruptcy for businesses. Businesses generally only have the option of a 7 or an 11. 7 is liquidate and be done. 11 is reorganize, be a debtor in possession, and with the help of your creditors and trustee, hopefully get back on track. So at Chapter 11, the most costly and difficult bankruptcy by far has just gotten easier for small businesses. You know, one major critique of the Chapter 11 process is that it is simply too much for any small business to withstand, meaning only big businesses with lots of asset and lots of methods to get through difficult times could possibly sustain it. Small businesses, it was just too much. So now, under the Small Business Reorganization Act, Chapter 11 has new provisions specifically for small businesses. So how does it help? That's what this first video will go through. Well, normally you have to, your plan, so to speak, whereby you plan to reorganize, is either made in conjunction with your creditors, the creditor committee, so to speak, so that, which is an actual thing, which has to approve it, or they can file competing plans, and you end up the trustee choosing between your plan or your creditors, which is not a lot of fun. Done away with for most intents and purposes. You don't need that creditor committee, basic tenet of Chapter 11 in the Small Business Reorganization Act. There's also a massive disclosure statement that's required in the Chapter 11, done away with under the Small Business Reorganization Act. And unlike the big Chapter 11s, you can generally get your plan approved even over your creditors' objections. Again, they don't submit their competing plans, and as long as, just like in a 13, you're paying most of your projected disposable income, which again is going to be much more projected for a business, for the next 3 to 5 years, you can get that plan confirmed. So for this first video, I'll just let you know, small businesses out there, if you've been looking at Chapter 11 and thinking this is too much of a monster, I've been getting that opinion from attorneys. Things have changed. This is just enacted, so this is brand new. So reach out if you're struggling and need help. It's probably not going to be as difficult as you thought. We'll have more on this in future videos. As always, you can reach me at 1-8 Deadline or edward@worthlawoffice.com, WIRTH lawoffice.com, or on Facebook at Oklahomans for Debt Relief. Talk to you soon.